In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove a GIF from your favorites in Discord. If you've accidentally saved a GIF, your favorites are getting cluttered, or you just want to clean things up, this quick step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. The good news is it only takes a few seconds once you know where to click. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any small details. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and easy Discord tutorials. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open Discord on your device. You can do this on the desktop app, the web version in your browser, or even the mobile app. The steps are very similar across all platforms, but in this example, we'll focus on the desktop version, since that's what most people use. Once Discord is open, navigate to any server or direct message where you can send a message. You don't actually need to send anything. We just need access to the message box so we can open the GIF Picker. At the bottom of the screen, inside the message field, you'll see several small icons. Look for the GIF button. It's usually located next to the emoji icon. Click on the GIF button to open the GIF panel. When the panel opens, you'll see trending GIFs and a search bar at the top. Now, to access your saved GIFs, look for the Favorites section. Depending on your version of Discord, this may appear as a small star icon or a clearly labeled Favorites tab. Click on it to view all the GIFs you've previously saved. Here, you'll see a collection of all your favorited GIFs. To remove a GIF from your favorites, hover your mouse over the GIF you want to remove. In the corner of the GIF thumbnail, you should see a small star icon. If the star is filled in, that means the GIF is currently saved to your favorites. Simply click on that star icon. As soon as you click it, the star will become unfilled, and the GIF will instantly be removed from your favorites list. That's it. The change happens immediately, and you don't need to confirm anything. If you're using Discord on mobile, the steps are very similar. Tap inside a chat to bring up your keyboard, tap the GIF icon, go to your favorites section, then tap on the starred GIF you want to remove. You can either tap the star icon again or press and hold the GIF depending on your app version, and it will be removed from your saved collection. If you don't see the GIF disappear right away, try closing and reopening the GIF panel. In most cases, though, it updates instantly. This is especially useful if your Favorites tab is full of outdated reactions, old memes, or GIFs you no longer use. Keeping your favorites organized makes it much faster to respond in conversations, especially if you rely on GIFs a lot. One important thing to remember is that removing a GIF from your favorites does not delete it from Discord entirely. It simply removes it from your personal saved list. You can always search for it again later using the GIF search bar if you change your mind. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to quickly and easily remove a GIF from your favorites in Discord in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Discord tips and tricks. I post simple, step-by-step guides to help you get the most out of your apps and software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.